Hey, what's going on today, you guys? We're playing a new game for the channel, not like new game as in I haven't played it before. I've definitely played it before. Sorry. But new game as in for the channel. It's a first person Vietnam style. So I'm gonna be doing this. We'll see. I know I haven't been uploading in a while. Alright, well, sorry. I know I haven't been uploading in a while. I'm really sorry about that. I haven't been able to upload like forever, actually. So that's partially just because I'm lazy and don't feel like uploading, but also, you know, I can't because I do have things that I have to do. So, anyways, my gosh, you guys are good. Alright. Anyways, we're gonna be just playing this. But yeah, so I wanna ask you guys, what videos do you want me to do though? Cause I don't wanna do videos that you guys don't like. So like videos. Like if I recorded videos, what videos do you want me to do? I mean, there's a wide section of games that I do. Like ERLC, we got all sorts of military games I'll do. Yeah. Anything else you think of? Now, I'm not gonna do everything, but also if you wanna see me do more of this game, then yeah, I will do that too, if you guys want that. Also I just want to say, if you like my content and you're gonna find yourself back, please just like the video if you like the video. Honestly, like smash that like button. But also, if you like my videos, just subscribe. It helps me out a ton when you subscribe. So if you do like my videos and you want me to upload more, then just hit that subscribe button. So, damn it, bro, these guys are good. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, I'm usually like god at this, but these guys are like goated. Actually, sorry, I shouldn't say goated. They just have artillery. Bro, they got so much artillery. Okay, do not go running into that. 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 Holy shit, why can't I move? Why can't I move? Oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, yo, this is sketchy. I hear a helicopter. I don't know if it's ours or an enemy. I am scared. It's ours. Let's go, let's go. A while ago, I said I was getting a computer. It's really efficient. I ordered all the parts. I ordered all the parts. Now all I have to do is, now that I've ordered all the parts, now I just have to wait for them to arrive. Once the parts arrive, I'm gonna be assembling them with one of my cousins that does them for a living, and then I'll keep you guys updated though on it. I'll record a video while there. First ever vlog. But yeah, so that's for sure. Do not go running. Brag! These guys are good. I told you, these guys are goated, like actually. good. Yeah, massive defeat because they got a hacker, duh. Yeah, bro, hacker for sure. That's definitely a hacker. That is most definitely a hacker. One kill, 18 deaths, and 0 headshots. I cannot do this. This is so annoying, actually. Oh, bro. We've got a bunch of men here. Men, get ready. 3, 2, 1. Move, 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 move. Go, charge. Wanna be We're starting off with the high ground, boys. Massive W. Enemy spotted, enemy spotted. Enemy moving up hills. Sorry. If you're wondering why I've been coughing so much, I've got the flu currently. Let's reload. This is a vehicle map, so we might be driving a car later if I find one. It is. I've been spotted from where? Holy shit, alright, enemies ahead, enemies ahead. Move, 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 move. Move, troops, move. Got a vehicle, you guys. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, boys. Let's move. Charge. Alright, yeah. But I'm gonna probably stop this video. Yeah, that's gonna be the video. I'm gonna be honest with you. That's the video. If you guys want to see more of this, then just make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below that you want to see it.